Mr. Walden, it is when it's green, or is it supposed to be red?
What?
The light when I'm. Is it green or red when it's recording?
Red. It goes on. It comes off the sun.
Oh God.
There's
Rays?
people. A ray. Yes. Yes. This is a ray. All right. This one's for you, Phoenix.
Whoa. What's that?
Starts with a P.
Parallel.
Parallel lines. Yes. Very good. Why are they parallel?
Because they're both going the same direction.
They're both straight up and down, right next to each other, right? What's an example of parallel lines? Railroad tracks. Railroads.
Sidewalks. Legs.
Liberty. This here and this here.
Yeah.
That would be parallel.
Or
Yes. Those things on the sides would be parallel. Yes. Okay. Very good. Tucker, what about this one?
A continuous right angle.
Okay. We're just looking at the angle. What kind?
Right.
It's a right angle. Yes. Okay. I think you guys will do just fine on this activity.
She isn't going to do one.
Piper. How did I hit everyone? Not hit you.
She's trying to hide herself.
What is this? A line. What about this?
A line.
Nope. It's got a dot at the beginning. It's a Liberty just did it.
It was over here.
Comes off the sun. Array. Okay, and what about this one?
Why do I have to do three?
Because I skipped you.
Line segment.
Line segment. Okay, I think you got it. Okay. Everybody up? Okay, we're gonna do the thing with the QR codes, but everyone needs to go and get a pencil. You got a pencil? Put your name on this. You guys have whiteboards to write on?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, you guys aren't going to be able to do much, Piper, if you don't have the iPad to scan it. Who doesn't have a paper?
No one.
You got one, Phoenix?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got one.
All right. So, we're going to go to the start here. So everyone kind of gather around me, okay? Okay, first question. Find an acute angle, okay? So let's walk around. If you think you have it, put your hand up. Okay, everyone think it's over here?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and scan it, Tucker. Here, I'll switch it. I'll hold your board.
You said acute, right?
Yep. Scan it and see what it says. If we're right, we'll know.
Find a pair of perpendicular lines.
Okay, so yep, that was the right answer. That's an acute angle. So on the first empty blank on your page, right after the start one, you should draw an acute angle, right? Just like it has on there.
I don't get what we have to do. We have to write
Draw, right? Find the acute angle over here. And then draw an acute
Put that
angle.
one over there. Put your arrows. Okay, find a pair of perpendicular lines.
No.
You don't think that is? Yes. Write it on your paper. Draw a picture of the last one. Okay, John, go ahead.
Do we draw this
Just like that.
Yeah, but
Okay, John, what's it say?
Find a line.
Okay, so you got it right. So draw the perpendicular.
Ask him.
Yes,
Doesn't that go there?
goes here.
Oh, okay.
You draw perpendicular lines.
What do we find? Did it just say find,
Find
a
a
regular
line.
line?
A line. Yep. I don't think that's it.
No, that's an arrow. I mean, that's
I don't think that's it either, guys.
No, that's not it.
That's a thing that comes off the sun, right?
No.
Oh, like
Okay. Find a line. Maybe it's over there.
Find
Nope.
which one?
A line. Got it over here. Think.
Yeah. May I do it?
Good.
Don't ask him. John,
Hayden,
Pepper,
right.
John, you already did it.
I said don't ask.
You didn't ask. He did.
All right, guys. What's it say?
Find a line segment.
So I'd say that was the right one. Okay. Find a line segment. That's a line. Now we're finding a line segment.
Is this number 3?
Yes.
What's number 3? I got it.
What is that?
Array.
Okay. Line segment. Piper.
Find an obtuse angle.
Find an obtuse angle. Okay, so on your number 4 spot on your paper, you should draw a line segment, okay?
Over there?
Yep. So now we're gonna be on find an obtuse angle. Vivian, are you ready to do it?
Find a pair of intersecting lines.
Find a pair of intersecting lines. So do these have to be perpendicular? Do they have to be parallel? Or they just have to intersect?
They have to be for diagonal.
They just have to intersect. I think your classmates got it over here, guys.
Yes. Okay.
Liberty, go ahead and scan it.
Is there, why is there another one over here? Find a ray.
Oh.
Right here.
Everyone knows where that one's at. Okay, so number 4 or number 5 should have been, or 6 should have been intersecting lines. Okay, number 7 should be array. Who hasn't scanned yet?
Me. Vivian.
Okay, Phoenix. Vivian just did it.
Oh yeah.
Push. One drop it. It's right there.
Find a pair of parallel lines.
Okay. Is this gonna be
I haven't got to do it yet.
second to last one?
No.
Nope,
No.
this is the last one.
Nope. We'll
There's
have one
another
more
one.
after this.
This is the second to last one.
Coming? Liberty?
I haven't got to do it.
Okay.
Have you got to do it?
Tucker was the first one. What's it say?
Find a right angle.
Find a right angle. Where's the right angle at? Where? Where's that?
Right here.
Oh, who hasn't scanned? Is everybody scanned?
Except Vivian.
Vivian?
Vivian.
I think we're all right.
I've got you.
Over. Good.
Congratulations, you have completed the QR code scavenger hunt. Okay, so you guys did well, right?
What was the name of skill?
Hmm?
Name of skill.
Angles.
Finding angles.
Yeah. Okay,
Which
So-
one was numbers start?
start.
The
Nothing.
line.
There was nothing. on start, okay?
But there's something.
Nothing
So,
like that.
everybody got every one of them?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, good word.
What?
Good. Hi, this is Chris Walden with my third video reflection over my final mini teach. The emphasis of this one is student engagement and involvement. So as you can see in my video was over a math-based topic. Today we're learning some of the basic geometry symbols and properties of angles, lines, and stuff of that matter. So the beginning of the lesson, we kind of started out by doing a quick review over the things that we were going to talk about later in the lesson. Students seemed to understand the concepts we were talking about. Their responses to me or to my questioning were, I would say, average. They could have been a lot better. I think there was a lot of things that I could have done to make the responses better on their part. So I'm going to take part of the blame on that. I think I could have maybe simplified a little bit. I think my questions were a little blunt, a little maybe too straightforward for them. I needed to simplify them a little bit, which would have helped them a lot, I feel. But during that part, things went pretty smooth. The answers were, like I said, average at best. As we got into the lesson, though, I felt like they got a better grasp of what we were doing, and coincidentally, their responses got better as well. So the lesson, after we got done with a brief review over what we were going to be talking about, we broke off and did an activity. Kind of, we walked around as like a scavenger hunt with a QR code scanner. We had to use the iPad, walk up, scan the QR code, and then it would come up with a clue on the iPad, and we had to find the next clue. And then when we got there, we had to scan it again, write down, if it would tell you if you had it right or wrong, and then write down the picture, the angle, the line, the ray, the line segment, whatever they're asking for, and then go on to the next one. So during this part, I kind of gave the students the opportunity to instruct themselves and give me the feedback. So I would ask them, tell them what they were to be finding. They would all walk around. When everyone got there to the spot they thought it was at, the next clue, they would all raise their hands, and I would present one of them with the iPad to scan it. And if it was scanned, I would try and give them a hint to whether if they were at the right one or not, to make it easier on them. Most of the time they had them all right, though. But after that, they would scan the QR code and it would give them the next clue. I would read them the next clue, and they would have to all find the correct answer for the next clue. I felt like their engagement and their involvement was excellent during this part. This class loves to do activities like this, so they love to be up and around. They love to use the iPad, love to use the smart board, which was broken today. We were having some technical difficulties with that, so I didn't get to use that at the beginning of my lesson. I had to use the old marker and whiteboard to do that. But during the walk-around activity, I felt like the student engagement was excellent. They were responding well to my questioning. I was giving them minor feedback on what they were doing, trying to prompt them to get the right answer, and they were picking up on it very well. I was very impressed with their efforts during this. As a whole, I'd say the whole lesson went well. Since it was just a mini teach, we're just kind of hitting on something we've already talked about in the previous lesson. So it was a mini reteach, I guess. But I thought the student involvement was excellent. I thought, as a whole, their response to my teaching and my teaching style was decent. I'd say there's some things I can do to make it a little bit better. Simplifying my questions, things like that would help me get a better response out of all of them. So other than that, I'd say it went well as a whole. So thank you for watching and have a great day.